Next we have third question. Replace this box in each of the following by the correct number. In this 5 parts are given to you and you have to fill that blank by the correct number. Now here we have 2 is equals to 8 as equals to given to you, so means these fractions are equivalent. 2 is lesser than 8, so it means you have to multiply so that you will get 8. So we have to find out by which number you multiply 2 so that you will get 8. As we know that 2 4s are 8. When you multiply 2 by 4, you will get 8. So I will write 4 in the numerator. 2 multiply by 4, then you will get 8. If you are multiplying 4 in the numerator, then you have to multiply 4 in the denominator also. So in this way you will get equivalent fractions. 2 multiply by 4. Why I write 4? Because 2 4s are 8. I multiply 4 by 2. Similarly, you have to multiply 4 in the denominator also. Here I will get 2 4s are 8. So 7 4s are 28. So my first box answer is, correct number is 28. Now next I have 5. So 5 and 10. It means you will get a number by which you multiply so that you will get 10. So by which number you multiply 5 so that you will get 10? 5 2s are 10. If you multiply 2 in the numerator, you have to multiply 2 in the denominator also. 5 2s are 10. 8 2s are 16. So my next answer is 16. Now third part. In this denominator is given to you, you have to find the numerator. Here we have 5, here we have 20. As 5 is lesser than 20, so it means you have to multiply. So 5 4s are 20. We know that 5 4s are 20. So you have to multiply 3 by 4. Because by same number you have to multiply numerator and denominator. So 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. Now next we have 45 and here we have 15. So there is no any number by which you multiply 45 so that you will get 15. Obviously in this case you have to divide, because to find equivalent fraction we have to multiply or divide. In this case you have 45 is equals to, here 15 is given to you. You are to divide the number. So let's find out by which number I divide so that I will get 15. As we know that last digit is 5, so this is not divisible by 2. So let's divide 45 by 3. 3 1s are 3. I will get 1. So 3 5s are 15. So it means when you divide 45 by 3, you will get 15. When you divide 45 by 3, you will get 15. If you divide 45 by 3, similarly you have to divide 60 by 3. And when you divide 60 by 3, 3 2s are 6. And here you will get 3 zeros are 0. So my answer is 20. Now in this also you have 18 is equals to blank, 24 equals to 4. As 24 is bigger as comparative to 4, so in this case you have to divide. So let's find out. If you divide 24 by 2, if I divide 24 by 2, 2 1s are 2, here I will get 4, 2 2s are 4, but here I will get 4. So let's check with 3. If you divide 24 by 3, 3 8s are 24, but here you have 4. So let's divide 24 by 4, then you will get 6. Similarly you will find when you divide 64 by 6, 6 4s are 24. When you divide this 24 by 6, you will get 4. So here I will write 6. So 18 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6, you will get 4. And 18 divided by 6, you will get 3. So this is your question number 3. In this question, you have to replace this blank by the correct number by multiplying or dividing, because here equals to is given to you. It means both the fractions are equivalent, and to find the equivalent fraction, we have to multiply or divide. So this is all with question number 3. We have question number 4. Question number 4, find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 20. Means here 3 upon 5 fraction is given to you. You have to find the equivalent fraction. Equivalent, so I written is equals to. And in this, the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 20, as this is numerator and this is your denominator. And the equivalent fraction of this fraction having denominator 20. So 3 upon 5 is equals to y is equals to, because equivalent fraction, denominator is 20. This is the reason I write 20 in the denominator. And we have to find the equivalent fraction. Now here we know that if I multiply, here we have 5, 20. 5 is lesser than 20, so I have to multiply so that I will get 20. So if I multiply, as I know that 5 4s are 20. Similarly, I have to multiply 4 in the numerator so that I will get the equivalent fraction. 3 4s are 12. 5 4s are 20. So my equivalent fraction is 12 upon 20. Now next we have B part. B part is we have to find an equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having numerator 9. I have to find the equivalent fraction in which numerator is 9. Here I have 3 upon 5 equivalent fraction, so I have to write equal. Now this fraction having equivalent fraction having numerator 9. So I will write in the numerator. So by which number you multiply this 3 so that you will get 9? That is 3. 3 3s are 9. So if you multiply 3 in the numerator, you have to multiply the same number in the denominator so that you will get the equivalent fraction. 3 3s are 9 as asked in the question. So 5 3s are 15. So my equivalent fraction is 9 upon 15. Now next I have C part. Here in C part you have to find denominator 30. Now I have this fraction 3 upon 5. Now you have to find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator. So I write 30 in the denominator. And I have to find the equivalent fraction. So by which number you multiply 5 so that you will get 30? I know that 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So you have to multiply 6 in the numerator also. So 3 6 are 18. 5 6 are 30. So your next equivalent fraction having denominator 30, that is 18 upon 30. Now next we have D part. D part is you have to find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having numerator 27. Numerator 27. So you have 3 upon 5 numerator. So I write 27 in the numerator. So by which number you multiply 3 so that you will get 27 in the numerator? So I know that 3 9s are 27. If I multiply 9 in the numerator, I have to multiply 9 in the denominator also. 3 9s are 27. 5 9s are 45. So this is my equivalent fraction. I just find the equivalent fraction of this fraction having denominator 20, numerator 9 as according to the question. So this is your question number 4. Next we have question number 5. In this question we have to find the equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48 with numerator 9, means equivalent fraction. So I write equals to, and here you have numerator, that is 9. This is 9, and you have to find the equivalent fraction. So as 36 have larger value as comparative to 9, so it means you have to divide, because here you are moving to the smaller number. For this you have to divide. So by which number you divide 36 so that you will get 9? To find this, what you will do, you have to solve in the rough. For the convenience, just divide 36 by 9. Both are numerator. Just divide. You will get 9 fours are 36. So it means that if you divide 36 by 4, if you divide 36, from here I will get the answer. If you divide 36 by 4, 4 9s are 36. So I write 4 over here. Similarly, you have to divide 48 by 4. So just divide 48 by 4. 4 1s are 4. Here we have 8. 4 2s are 8. So if you divide 48 by 4, you will get 12. So this is your answer. In this way you can find the number by which number you divide, so that you will get the required number. So next we have denominator 4. Here fraction is given to you. Fraction is 36 upon 48, and you have to find the equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48 with denominator 4. Denominator 4, so I write 4 over here. In this also we are moving from larger number to smaller. Larger number to smaller number if you are moving, so you have to divide. So we have to find by which number I divide 48 so that I will get 4. For the convenience, I just divide this denominator by 4. 4 1s are 4. Here we'll get 4 2s are 8. When I divide both the number, I will get 12. It means when I divide 48 by 12, from this question is my answer actually. 12 4s are 48. So I just write 12 over here. If I am dividing 12 in the denominator, I have to divide 36 divided by 12. If I divide 36 by 12, I will get 3. So this is your equivalent fraction. In this I find the equivalent fraction by dividing. So this is all with question number 5.